Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the Google accounts on Android 16. Okay, to do it we need to open up the settings, and in here we have our Google account. We need to click on that, click again on your account, and now click on Manage Accounts on this device. Now scroll down, find Personal, and in here we have all of our Google account. Right in here with the mail, and in here we can see that these are the Google accounts that we are logged in on our device. To remove it, simply select the one that you want to remove, for example that one, and simply click on Remove Account. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.